In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Nitro PDF to printer list. Now, by default, whenever you install Nitro PDF, you should already see it inside your list of printers inside different programs across your computer. However, if you're still not seeing it, let me show you how to actually fix this issue once and for all and very easily. So, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up Nitro PDF. Now, the most important thing over here is that you open it as an administrator, okay? Because if you don't do that, it's basically not going to work. So, let me show you how to do this. You want to look for Nitro PDF down here in the search bar, right click and click on Run as Administrator, okay? Now, whenever you do that, it's going to open up your Nitro PDF. You want to go to the Help tab up top, and then you want to click on Support Tools. Now, when you are inside Support Tools, you want to click on PDF Creation here, and then here it's going to say Nitro PDF Creator, and it says click the button below to reinstall the Nitro PDF Creator printer, admin rights required. So what you have to do is click on this button, so Nitro PDF required, and what's basically going to happen here, it's going to initiate the installation in the background, and then once it's done, you should receive a message which is basically going to say installation of the printer driver was successful, and then you're going to have to click on OK and close. Now, I've done this already, of course, so I don't have to do it again, but of course, whenever you do this, basically just wait for it to finish, click on OK, and you'll be good to go. Now, if that still is not working for you, or for some reason, if you can't see these support tools, or like if basically you cannot find this box, there's one more thing you can do. You could go into settings and do that in there. So let me show you how to achieve this as well. Now, the first thing you have to do here is actually close down your Nitro PDF, okay? And then whenever you actually close it down, you want to go on your computer and you want to go inside your C drive. So you want to go inside the C drive, and then from here you want to go to Program Files, and you want to look for Nitro. Now, mind you, we're going to need administrator permissions here as well. So I'm going to go into Nitro over here, and then here you want to go into PDF Pro 14, and then you want to look for one specific thing here. So if I scroll down, there we go. It's this one, which is the Nitro PDF Support Tools.exe. You want to right click and click on Run as Administrator. And whenever you do that over here, as you can see, it's going to pop up the same box we were able to open earlier inside our Nitro PDF, okay? So right here, you want to go to PDF Creation, and then again, click on Nitro PDF Creator, and then this is basically going to run the installation in the background again, and you will receive the message whenever that's done. You're going to have to click OK and then close. There we go. As you can see, installation has been done. Click OK and then close, and that's all you have to do. Now, mind you, it may not work directly, so if it doesn't work directly, try and first shut down all the applications you were trying to access the printer list from. So for example, if you have like Word or something open in the background, close down your Word and then reopen it, or what's even better is just basically restart your computer and see if that works, of course, wherever you're trying to look for your printer list. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.